Uh, yes, in this video, we're gonna create the dice games, like a similar to Sudoku, which is very popular game, which is nine by nine matrix with the 3 by 3 like a blocks of the nine squares, which is the unit in number at the numbers from 1 to 9, which is need to not need to match, like need to go vertically and horizontally. Okay, let's start with the first creating the React application. I'm gonna use the React, Tailwind CSS, and TypeScript. For that, what I'm gonna do is just like using the Deepseek, we're gonna just create the from scratch React application. I'm gonna use the React TS TypeScript version of that. Let's name this thing as a dice games. Okay, it's so project is scaffolded. Let's go to the dice games first and see how it's all, how many files is created there. Okay, let's move to the installing the Tailwind CSS. We're gonna go with the recent Tailwind CSS, which is gonna be like a, with the Vita connected, and which is actually we're gonna add also the plugin. Let's wait for the installation done. If installation is done, okay, sounds good. Then we're gonna go to the Vita config and add Tailwind as a plugin, which is makes the easier to it made it easier. Before it was like complicated to add that. Right now it's one line, just adding one line it makes it happen. By the way, is not to forget index CSS, the Tailwind CSS, to import Tailwind CSS. Okay, now it should supposed to run. Let's check the code. Yes, it's up and running right now as the Vita React counter is working right now. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the creating games. Okay, let's go with that. Create UI for roll two dices. It's actually a very simple thing. Let's see how is the Deepseek gonna create this. I'm not gonna give any kind of context. I'm gonna give it just a simple prompt of the like this keywords. Roll two dices game. That's it. And let's see how it's going to handle it. We see it's generating all the UIs along with the React and Tailwind CSS, and yeah, and the instruction how to play. That's cool. Okay, let's create the component first, and we're gonna create the component in the source folder, dice game tsx, and then and we're gonna just paste it in C, and let's check. I see it's added also framer motion node modules. Let's add that too. Okay, cool. Okay, let's save the file. Okay, let's see to add this component to the app component, and we and clean up the lines what we not needed, and import components. Sounds looks good to me, and save the file. Okay, application is already running. Let's check. Start the game. Oh, that's not bad. I would say it's good actually. As the it's actually created all the things with a simple add-on, all of the things like add just the framer motion and nothing, just the Tailwind CSS, and it's also application is very light to build that. Of course, is the node modules is heavy all the time, but the application is very light on the React application too. That's cool. I see the code is a little bit tweaks. Okay. Okay, but it's actually showing the 8, but it's not showing the dot. It's the 8 is not dots of the picture is not reflected to that, but the code is working, but the pictures is not correlated with the numbers. That's need to be fixed for sure. Okay, that's good enough. It's actually we can start working on that too later on that and see. Okay, just to confirm, it's actually it's not gonna show the pictures. Yeah, it's not showing pictures. Okay, okay, okay. See, let's look at the code. Okay, it's using the local storage. Okay, fine. Dice 1 to 6. Okay, okay. Let's move on. Create a UI for Sudoku game. And let's move on to that. And I hope it's gonna understand what is a Sudoku game is actually is. And we don't gonna give the rules, any kind of things. It's just a one simple prompt, and it's gonna complete that. Well, it's it's adding. Okay, it's give the instruction to. Let's add this to the existing project, existing app, Sudoku game.tsx, and copy paste the component, save it, and let's include that thing to app for sure. Before that, let's check the why is the parenthesis not closed. Okay, now we close this thing. Is red? There is no issue with this. Okay, we're just gonna for now we're just gonna keep it as any. Cool. Let's add the component of the Sudoku game. It's gonna be fine. Okay, let's make a toggle to actually switch between the games. Okay, using buttons. Okay. It started using the state, use state, dice, Sudoku. That's really good. Use the buttons. Okay, save. Let's go and check the code. Okay, Sudoku. Okay, I see there is some issue going on with the Sudoku. Okay, let's check what's the error here. Go to console. It cannot read the property of undefined, reading 0, get cell class. Oh, I guess it doesn't have some kind of initial value. This is what I'm guessing. Let's check anyways. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Uncode type error. Let's look it up a bit. Fix this. Let's try the use the Deepseek to. It's going to recognize it or not. I'm not sure. Let's try this first. It's added empty and removed other lines of the code. The rest of the file remains exactly the same, which is I don't need it. I don't think is the right things, but I understood what it means. Okay, reject, reject, and let's add that line manually, and we're gonna keep it as it is for now, and save it, reload the page. Oh, that's fine, that's really good. Okay, let's start easy, new game, easy. It's added all the randomly numbers. Okay, let's add some kind of numbers then here. How it's okay, okay, that's good, that's good. It's also have the count up now, count up timer. How to play instruction, fill the grid so that every row column has 1 to 9. Okay, cool. Let's go with the medium. The lesson number hard, even less than low number placed. Less number placed. Okay, clear. Okay, quite good. Okay, let's move on to the create UI for puzzle game, puzzle match. This is what I'm. Okay, let's see the how what's the puzzle match it's created. Puzzle match can be can be like understood like a many ways, but I'm very curious to see what kind of puzzle match it's actually understood from the just the key terms, keywords, what I just typed there. I see there is not closing some issues with the brackets. Okay, let's see why. What's wrong with these brackets? Div is fine. This should be fine. Hmm. Somewhere. Hmm. What's wrong? What's wrong with it? Hmm. Hmm. Just the enclosing brackets is missing. Just enclosing brackets is missing, is was missing. Let's include this component to the app application too. Include puzzle match game. I don't know if it's going to include it or not. Let's see. It's actually did, which is really good. It understands quite easy. Let's accept that. I like it. Let's see. Okay, puzzle match. What's wrong with this puzzle match? Let's inspect that issue. Cannot read property of undefined. Oh, we already seen this kind of error. Uncode type error of the cannot read properties of undefined. Okay. So puzzle match game. Okay. It's we know that is the initial error, but we're gonna just just gonna select this line only and type this thing, save it. Good. I hope it's gonna fix. It does actually. No, 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 no. Let's see. Cannot read undefined. Okay, generate. Okay, we're gonna go with the whole code. It's gonna solve it one moment. Get cell class get the random tile type. Oh, I see. It has like a many ways of calling like a two functions need to be taken care of. Cancel. Huh. Interesting. It's taking a bit long. Hmm. It started changing. Okay. It deleted many lines too. I'm going to reject this and let's see how we're gonna fix this. Fix this error using the chat. And we're gonna just ask this and try to find what's the issue with this. Is gonna solve it or not? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I see it's added actually the change the initial get random tile type and initialize the board. Hmm. Okay. Let's copy this thing, initialize the board, and change that. Let's find that chunk of the code. Here it is. I see all of those here. I paste it. Okay. Now we're gonna just remove uh, duplicates. Duplicates. Okay. I think this is all duplicates. Fine. Save it. Okay, let's do that. That's really good. Actually, it's good. You see, it's all actually based on the color. It's similar to like a selecting the three three blocks. If it's smash three blocks, it's gonna just start to disappear, and you're gonna just choose the one that replace or move one block uh, next to each other only, which is quite good. It's understood that just those talking puzzle match game in terms of this kind of game.